my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Let's explain how to use Facebook app step by step. Today we'll explain how to enable quiet mode on Facebook app. Let me show you how can we do that. At first, tap on Facebook app icon. Then click on 3 horizontal line which shown on top right. Scroll down a little bit till you get setting and privacy. Then tap on settings. Go down till we get your time on Facebook. Then press on manage your time. After that, click on quiet mode. You can specific day like this. For example, make it 1 day, and hours 3 hours, also minute, let's make it 30 minutes. After that, press on apply. You will find here that quiet mode already active, and this is time of quiet mode. It will be until Monday 11:08 p.m. Now we reach to the end of the video. On this video we explain how to enable quiet mode on Facebook app. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.